Welcome to your learning journey on this practical MLOps for data scientist and DevOps engineer. Now, first of all, thank you so much for choosing us as part of your learning journey. Now, this course is very special. The reason because this course has been created by industry experts with a clear intention to take the practitioner from academia to the real-time use case, which means whatever the concepts that you will be learning as part of your learning journey in this MLOps course, you will be learning the best practices that we generally follow in the industrial implementation, that is for the production use case. And the notebooks and the scripts that you use it in learning journey, you can use the same in implementing the solutions for your client as well as your project. As a result of this, you will be gaining one of the most sought after skill set in data science, that is machine learning operation. And my name is Murthy and I'll be with you in every step of the way. I'm a data science manager working in a top consulting firm and I'm sharing my knowledge through manifold AI learning. My day-to-day work include leading the team of 25 people and I'm responsible for end-to-end implementation of data science, machine learning and deep learning projects. I'm responsible managing the end-to-end pipeline starting from the experimentation till the operationalization of the machine learning models in the production environment, including the maintenance part of it. I worked in various domains like retail, healthcare, and banking and insurance. Some of the key impacts that I have made till now are I've successfully led and delivered multiple data science projects from POC to the production with overall revenue close to $100 million. I'm a leader of MLOps approach in my current organization. I'm an author of top 10 e-learning content on data science, and I've trained more than 50,000 learners throughout the globe through the live boot camps. I'm a top instructor with manifold AI learning and I'm certified in AWS machine learning and I'm also certified in AWS DevOps. So this is about me and I'll be with you in every step of your way. And here, as you progress in your learning journey, in case you want to share your work, you can feel free to tag me on your LinkedIn profile whenever you're sharing your work. So I'm so excited that you have joined your learning journey with me. So let's get started. I'm excited to see you on our class. So thank you so much, guys.